What's up, guys? It's MMO back here with another video. This is the part 2 of tearing down the Tao. We found the culprit of what was locking up the engine from letting it spin all the way over. 'Cause remember, before it gets stuck at about 207 degrees, wouldn't go the full 360. So we pulled this guy off the top of the piston. I don't know how it got there. It looks like there's a casing around the nut. It doesn't even look like a real nut. It looks fake. Yeah, I have no idea where this would have gone to, but give you a close up. But we got everything off, cam gear, all that good stuff. Heads off right here. Valves didn't get too dinged by the looks of it. There was a little bit of scuffing, like right here. You can see that a little bit, but it's not terrible. Looks like, it's still alright. The valves look decent. And I'm wondering, there's no way that would have gotten up in the head, or, in the cylinder, where the piston rides. If I would have definitely noticed the noise when I was riding it, but my spark plug had no signs of anything hitting it. It was not bent in, it wasn't pinched shut or anything. It looked perfectly fine. So honestly, there's no way that was riding in the cylinder. So I don't know. It's pretty messed up. I was very clueless. But I mean, everything's there. We had to, we hung the cam chain up. Yeah, but I was puzzled how that little nut would have gotten in there. But that's another update. I'll update you guys when we're throwing this thing back together, and maybe even get it running tonight. Guys, a little update on the Tao here. We finagled with timing and adjusting the valves, the exhaust and intake valve. We tried to, because the intake valve was really loose, like probably 20 thousandths gap.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I would say.
And so that thing was, you could just jiggle it up and down. So we figured that when that nut was in there, it banged on the valve and torched the valve.
Yeah.
So we did a leak down test on it. Couldn't even hold 10 psi before it was pushing out through the intake, out the air filter.
You just hear it leaking.
You could hear it leaking out.
Anything.
And I did a leak down test on this once before and held up to like 30 psi. So
something's wrong.
I knew something
in the valve area.
Yeah, and after that, now we're gonna probably just order new head for it.
Australia.
Probably take a while to get here, but
yeah, we'll probably just sell it after that.
Yep, probably gonna sell it after that. Right now, I'm gonna go get the $300 Warrior.
Yeah, and
run that thing for a while.
But we tried everything, and it's just it's the intake valve not sealing.
Yep.
Timing's on. If it wanted to
start, even the compression is down, so
yeah,
that means the valve's not
sealing.
Valve's
open. It's getting stuck open, or it's
stuck.
Not something right.
Yeah. Well, that's the update, guys. Sad day on the Tao.
Yeah, hopefully we get that new head in, and we'll go from there. It might be a few weeks, though.
Oh, yeah. Could be a few weeks.
No parts available in the U.S., really. We just got to come from Australia.
Yep, and with the whole coronavirus thing, might not be able to get it soon.
Right.
So.
But we did make an attempt to fix it. We spent probably 6 hours on this thing already, at least.
Yeah. Yep.
I mean, I spent carrying myself all day today and last night.
Yep. But
just no good news.
Yep. Well, guys, we'll update you if anything further happens, but the next update you guys might get on this is when we get the head in and when we start rebuilding
together,
it. So, subscribe, like, comment videos you want to see, and we'll be back with some more videos.